Hi, I'm Scott Campbell with SOLV3D.
And I'm Brad Ashley, and welcome to our series of videos on Solved Engine.
So what is Engine, Brad, and how is it different from Encompass?
Yeah, so we've had the Solved Engine application for the last few years. It's our local processing application for prepping data. With our latest release that we're talking about here, Engine's become more than just a processing engine. We now have analytics, visualization, and sharing within the platform. You asked about Solved Encompass and how it differs. And the primary difference here is that in the Solved Engine application, the data is a local copy. And so when you share that data out with someone and then you make changes to that data, you'll have to share a new copy with them. Whereas in Encompass, there's one cloud-based version of the data. And so when you share that out and changes happen, they automatically see those changes.
Got it. So in one case, if I've got small teams, maybe Engine's the way to go. But certainly if I need everybody to be working with the same information at the same time, then maybe Encompass is the way to go. Awesome.
That's right.
All right. So how do I go about getting and installing this Engine app?
Yeah, so if you haven't received an email from us outlining how to install the application yet, go to solv.com, check out the products page, and you'll click on the request evaluation. From there, we'll get a request sent in and we'll send you back the information for install as well as the evaluation license.
Okay, so I've got a link here and I've got it downloaded. And how do I go about installing it? Is it just a simple regular install?
Yeah, so before you get into the installation, let's just cover off some of the requirements or recommendations around your computing environment. It's best if you check that looks good before you actually do the install. And so as you can see here on the screen, I'm actually showing what we recommend versus what we require. And you'll see the various types of RAM, processors, solid state drive, etc. So once you've confirmed that that's the case for your computer, you can click that download Engine link on the page, and you'll just run through the installation. You can see it running here on my machine. We're going and installing the file. And once it's installed in the next video, we'll show you how to install that license key.
Okay, great. Looks like my computer is good. I've got it downloaded and I've got it installed. All right, so let's hop over to the next video and you can kind of walk me around what's where.